So you know we were always taught never to open the radiator cap while the system is hot. That's still a thing, alright? What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I want to do something a little different for you guys this year. So a series that I want to do is basically doing some maintenance on the G. So I'm going to call this series Keeping It G. So first up in the series, what I want to do is I want to do a coolant flush. And I've already started. So all I did was I raised the car. And you want to make sure that the back of the front of the car is up in the air. The drain is on this side, as you can see. And it uses a Phillips head screwdriver. So I just undid the screw, and if you have a splash shield, you're gonna have to remove it. I have the Z1 aluminum. As you can see there, the aluminum undershroud. So I took it off, and I basically accessed the port, and now I'm draining the fluid. I haven't started the toppers yet. Now, so to do this properly, there is a drain plug back here. Every Infiniti guy should know this. So mine is supposed to be right here. A couple years ago, I was speeding out of here, and poof, a whole bunch of coolant started spraying up, and I was like, what the hell? Never had this issue before. So I'm like, shit, the G's down. And what I realized was the thing that Nissan or Infiniti uses here, it's like it gets brittle. The port gets brittle. So Z1 sells this thing that you can buy, an aluminum one or metal one or copper one, whichever metal it is, but it's metal that you can buy to put there. At the time, for me, it was an emergency, so I just put a coupler there, and I never changed it out. But to do this properly, what you want to do is, when you're refilling it, you're going to open this port, and you start filling the new coolant in, right? Once it gets to the level here, you see it start flowing over, you close it up. I don't have that, so I'm going to be doing mine a different way. So like I said, I've already started doing the drain at the bottom here, and I set everything up. Now I'm going to open this up, and a whole lot more started coming out. So it's still draining, it's trickling now. So on Amazon, I went ahead and I bought this filler kit. And basically, all you need to do is, right, you're gonna find the one that fits inside the radiator hole here, or the filler hole here. And the purpose of this is to block this off. Now, if you could pinch it off and fill, then it's better. I mean, not better, but it's an option if you can. If you don't have one of these, you can block this off. But the purpose is to put this inside the hole to block this off, right? What you do is gonna press down and form a seal. It has a rubber or an O-ring at the end of it. So you put this on, you find the one in the kit that fits, just like so. And then this piece goes on top like this, right? And what you do is you throw coolant in gently. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So let this thing keep running. Honestly speaking, I mean, I don't want to finish. I'll be here in a minute. I want this to be done. So, I don't know. The car does a little more coming out. I'm gonna give it 2 minutes more, and I'm gonna tighten up the drain plug at the bottom, try to reinstall my splash shield on my undershroud, and then I'm gonna get to filling this thing, filling the radiator. Alright, so now I got 2 gallons of antifreeze. This is Prestone 50/50. I just bought whatever that they had. So you want to pour it in gently. And the purpose of pouring it in gently is to see all those bubbles. You want to avoid that from happening. it's gonna keep bubbling up like that. Next up, we're gonna be starting the car. Then we're gonna put the heat on max blast because we want all of this coolant to cycle through. And you're gonna see some bubbles coming up every now and again. Right now I have the car, the AC is on full blast. It's at its highest temperature inside the cabin because like I said, you want that air, you want the coolant to basically cycle through inside the heating core of the AC. Right now I'm going to rev it to about 2000 RPM. I said, AC is on full blast, 93. It's the highest it will go. Oops. My bad. And you can see the coolant level right. You can see the coolant level right there. I'm gonna give it a little gas. Up to about 2000 RPM. Do that, it surges. So let's see where they said not to do that. Hopefully you can see it, but you'll see some tiny little bubbles still coming through. See here? So it's still getting filled, guys. One thing to keep in mind, this coolant in here, it's getting hot to the touch. So you want to keep that in mind, okay? So, I have left the car running for about a half an hour. I see no issues, all seems well. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this piece in so I can take it out of right here. Don't forget your radiator cap. A little more in there. There you go. Make sure you check the level. Something in. I think it's going to take this entire bottle. So we've reached the end of the video. She's all buttoned up. Remember, very important, reinstall your radiator cap. And you want to put some fluid in your overflow tank. Always fill mine to the max. If it happens that there's too much in the system, it will pump it out, or it will take from here. And cover this up. You know, she's all buttoned up now. She sounds nice. All is well. And as always, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. All right, peace. Bad man, we out.